Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks chicken and bacon sandwich. So this thing here is got about 32 or 36 grams of protein, can't remember. It's got chicken and bacon on it as well as some type of sauce. I'm not sure what kind of sauce it is, but it goes with the chicken. And this thing smells really good, like so amazing smelling. I almost just want to keep it in here just to make it smell nice, but I'm gonna get right into this. Pretty hot, ooh. It's getting steamy. Definitely a warm one. And the chicken in this is nice and lightly seasoned. It's not like dried out chicken either, which is really nice. It's, don't want to say the word moist, but it's chewable chicken. The bacon and the sauce that's in this goes very well with the nice bun that they got this in. I don't know what kind of bun this is, but I like it. It's flavorful. So for a chicken sandwich, this is a pretty good one. Chicken and bacon. Delicious. So the bacon adds a lot of saltiness to it. The chicken itself's just got like the seasoning on it. And the bread is, I'm not sure how to describe the bread, but it's like, it's kind of not chewy, but it's like doughy in a sense, but then the outside of it's like hard bread. So pretty cool. I'll have one more bite, then I'll give my final review on this. Wow. And whatever the sauce is, it's not like a strong flavored sauce. It's actually quite mild, but that's good. Pretty decent. So I would give the chicken bacon sandwich from Starbucks an 8.5 out of 10. It's really flavorful for chicken. I eat chicken a lot, and a lot of the times chicken isn't that flavorful. This stuff, however, is pretty flavorful, and the bacon too, it all ties it together nicely. So this stuff's really good. 8.5, maybe even up to a 9. Like, I love it. It's a really good breakfast sandwich, or I guess lunch sandwich, supper sandwich. This is like 6 o'clock, 6:30 here in Canada. Sun's finally out, daylight savings or whatever is back. But yeah, good supper. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.